Hi everyone, and welcome back to my second course. And in this course I'm going to feature the Chancery lettering style, beginning with the easiest letter to the most difficult. And so here I'm just going to do a quick review. You always rest the nib on the page, 45-degree up. And when you're ready to do that, I'm going to do the whole letter of the first letter, which is the I, straight down, and then down below, touch the corner and over. So what I'm going to do is break this down to the serif only. So you go up and across, up and across. And when you feel comfortable with that, I want to emphasize that this is up and straight across. It's not a wiggly stroke. It's definitely up and straight across. The I will make it appear like it's a wiggly type of stroke, but it's not when you physically create it. Okay, so it's just up and straight across. And when you feel comfortable with that, we'll add the next stroke. So up and straight across, and in the center, straight down, like you've done with your basics already. Again, you can see the 45-degree angle at the bottom. That's making sure that your nib is on the page correctly. And yeah, I was going to finish it. I might as well finish it here, but here we're going to just do that, straight down, serif, straight down, 45-degree angle, serif only, straight down, and do a row of that, many rows of it actually, until you're comfortable with adding the last stroke to complete the I. Just straight down, up on the corner, and straight across. Again, this part I want to emphasize is open. You don't close this up. So it's across and straight down, up on that corner and across. This stroke is longer than the top, giving it a foundation to stand on. So there you have it. That is the I. And the next lesson will go into the next letter.